In today's video, I will show you how you can manually update your TECNO CAMON 40 Pro 4G CM6 on latest HiOS 16.2 update. Before beginning the process of the update, you must keep in mind these things. Firstly, battery of your phone must be above than 50%. The local update file must be downloaded on your phone. The developer options of your phone must be enabled. Firstly, you will go to setting. Then you will go to about phone, then you will go to version information. Here you will see an option called build number. You will tap on it 7 times and it will enable the developer option setting in your settings application. You will need to download the zip file for your phone to update your phone. The zip file for TECNO CAMON 40 Pro I have already uploaded on my YouTube channel, WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel as well as on Facebook posts. Head over to my YouTube channel. Last post will be about all the updates which have been released till now. Find the TECNO CAMON 40 Pro CM6 link. Click on the link and it will download your file. Once the zip file for the update is downloaded, you will move that file from downloads folder to internal memory. Just go to any file manager, click on the file, copy it or move it to internal memory. Go back to settings application, then you will go to system settings. Once there, you will scroll down, you will see a setting called developer options. You will enter that setting and scroll down again. There you will see an option called local update. Once you are in the local update, tap on local update one more time. It will show your internal memory. If you have successfully copied the file to internal memory, it will show the update zip file. Tap on the update zip file, then it will show another warning. Click on install. It will take 15 to 20 minutes because it is a very large file. So you must keep in mind that your phone's battery must be above than 50%. Once it's done, you will see an option called reboot. You'll click on reboot. It will take 5 to 6 minutes and your phone will boot into HiOS 16.2 update based on Android 16. If you have any problems, do let me know in the comments, or you can contact me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram. Hope you like this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, click on subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, click on like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.